Okay, you guys, we are back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Ericka Kirk making another viral round on social media once again. She is going viral because she did a presentation through Turning Point or at Turning Point, wherein she came out and she was responding to some of the backlash that she was met with, including Candace Owens' delivery on Charlie Kirk's passing, Drewski basically doing a parody of her, and the list goes on. Now, before Ericka Kirk got into her dialogue, she had an expression that is just frightening. It is scary. It is freaking, I don't even know what to call it. It looks as though she was about to pass out. It looks as though she was caught off guard doing something and she was about to lose her life. It's given full on panic attack, out of control. And if she did experience the moment that they're sharing that she experienced, I believe that it should have never been shared with the public in the manner in which it did. However, it is being shared with the public and the internet, they're not having it with Ericka Kirk. Critics are saying we are sick of being sick and tired with this woman because this is Ericka Kirk putting on yet another performance once again. They're saying this one tops the cake above all things that she has done because this is scary, it is frightening, and she just wants to dive into people's soul begging for empathy. They believe that out of all of her so-called quote unquote performances, this one is just terrible. So terrible that they're sharing the clip and they're asking people to caption this clip. And the internet, they're like, no more wire hangers, honey. Why does she stare at us like that? They're like, is this for real? Because girl, what is going on with those eyes? Listen, the comments, they were going in. So I want to share the clip with you guys, and then we're going to get back, like the clip without me talking, and then we're going to get back with the rest of my commentary. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you all. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw this clip, I thought this clip was a over exaggeration AI to something that actually happened. I believe that, well, I thought at first there was another version of this wherein this actually had happened, but I believe that, like, I thought at first this, what we're seeing here, was like an over exaggeration to the actual clip. Honey, when I discovered that this was an actual clip, I'm gonna be honest. It reminds me of the moment that I had the deepest, darkest anxieties that mimicked heart attack. I'm not gonna lie. That is what this looks like. It looks like the deepest, darkest episode of anxiety that anyone could possibly experience, which is not good. Like, not good. It's the worst thing that you'll ever have to deal with. So, as I've said the other day, I don't know what Ericka Kirk is going through, and I do hope that if it is the case that Ericka Kirk is actually going through all the emotions that she has been sharing, that she's been going through. I do hope that there's something to vindicate her, because at this time, the internet is growing frustratingly annoyed and disgusted of her. And I wouldn't want her to be getting all the hate and backlash that she's getting, knowing that she has a genuine thing going on. But honey, this clip, it looks hella scary. And if it is the case that things are the way she is portraying it to be, I would say, honey, I hope you get all the help that you need, because if this is what you're going through, I don't think you should be out here doing all the things you've been doing. I think you should take a step back, heal, and I hope that she has the right circle, because it is so frightening to see. But the internet believes that it is a performance by Ericka Kirk, and they believe that it is yet one of her worst performances ever. But what do you guys think? Leave your comment below. I want to hear from you. So we're going to talk some more in the comment section. Peace.